Well, hello and welcome to another
Wind Up Wednesday.
Oh, it's good to be back, Saffron.
It's been a while.
It's been a while. It's been a long
Can
time.
I just say, the one that you did with Ruth and you lost, you didn't do a forfeit.
The forfeit was to do something nice with the other person. That was the forfeit, and I did do something nice. I gave Ruth
Fun
roses or something. Quality Street.
or something.
So I can't remember. So long ago since we've done one of these.
It's funny how you choose to do that the week I'm not here.
That wasn't my choice. That was Ruth's choice.
Yeah.
That genuinely was.
It
She
wasn't
didn't
even
want to do
your
the forfeit.
chocolate to give away.
That's true. That's all right. I did something nice, didn't I?
Outrageous.
Are we doing a forfeit today then?
The forfeit is...
It's on continuous, isn't it?
Yeah, like it's throughout the process today, throughout the challenge.
What are we playing?
We're playing a game called Think Quick.
Ooh. You're going to need to explain the rules on this one.
Okay, so with this one, you basically have to pull out a word from a pot and you have 5 seconds to think of a song with that word in. If you do not get a song after 5 seconds, then you're going to get squirty cream in the face, which, can I just say, I'm really bad with music, so I don't listen to music very often.
All I've got in my head is Adele going, fire to the red, fire to burn. That's all I'm going to think of. I hope I get fire. I hope I get fire or burn. Or rain.
Oh, I hope I get it now. And I'll still be like,
Think quick, let's do it. Always.
3.
Always! Oh, panic. Panic.
You just sang, oh!
Go on then, your turn.
I'm so...
1.
Well, these boots are made for
Oh,
walking.
you flipping annoying.
That's
That's so annoying. That's so annoying.
Hold on. Okay.
Oh, no. Wait. Okay, go.
5, 4.
My glorious. My glorious. My glorious. It's a delirious song. Delirious. Look. Delirious. Oh, Google it. Delirious. Old school worship
I
song
thought
right
you were just
there.
in always again. Like singing
No,
the
that was
word.
an old school delirious song. 3, 2, 1, go.
Dance floor. What the J-Lo song, The Floor?
I'm Murder on the dance floor.
Yeah.
Better get there to move. Yeah, I missed that one.
Oh, that's annoying.
3.
5.
Easy like Sunday morning, yeah.
That's annoying.
Boom.
Hold on, I have whipped cream in my eye. I am good.
Blinded by the light. 3.
Hold on. You can't just come in.
1,
I don't even know what that
2,
word says.
3.
No, I don't know.
4.
No, this is dyslexia. This is prejudice. Okay,
Come on.
can I don't know what that says.
Exorbitant.
No, I'm dyslexic.
No, no, you can't. No chance.
I did. Come on.
It's not my fault.
What does the word even
I
mean?
don't know. I don't know what it means.
That's not very
I don't even know what that means. We didn't pick these words, by the way. This is Ian and Ruth.
Yeah. This is outrageous. Hold on, I want a bit more on yours because it's dissolved. Okay. 5, 4.
Jelly. Jelly man.
One.
Stop! Punch me in the eye! You just punched me in the eye! You actually just
I
punched
was
me in the eye.
doing yes.
I got whipped cream there, Saffron's Chris there.
Oh, I'm so
my goodness.
enthusiastic about that. Okay.
Got a black eye.
Okay.
Jelly? Who got shot for jelly? 3.
Wait, 1. You just might as well do shit.
Last one.
5.
Social media? What on earth?
2, 1. What?
Social media. I'm gonna kick off with Ruth Beer, I tell you. Social media.
I genuinely can't see.
I can't actually breathe.
Okay. I can't see. My eyes are gone white.
Okay, go.
Okay. Break free.
One.
Break free! I know there's a song with this. Hold one.
Yes.
Oh, no.
I want to break bread.
I was trying to remember. Oh, I genuinely can't say.
Well, I think that was 5 apiece, wasn't it? I got 3 whipped. You got. How did you go whipped?
4, I think.
4. Yes. Guys, have a good rest of your week, and we'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Oh.